So if you're looking at the relationship between two quantitative variables, like hours of sleep versus cups of coffee, because you think maybe the less hours of sleep someone gets, the more they will need coffee, you'd want to be looking at a scatter plot because you're comparing two quantitative variables. So you're going to graph scatter plot. You should choose, if you think there is a relationship, a direction to that relationship, you should choose X as your independent variable and Y as your dependent variable. So I think the hours you sleep might influence how many cups of coffee you need to drink during the day. So I'm going to do it in that direction. And compute. Don't do any group by. There's no reason to add a third variable unless you just want something cute on there. So just press compute. So we can kind of see it does appear that not much of a relationship. They're both discrete, so unfortunately some of these represent more than one person. Some of these are just one row, but I bet there's others that are multiple. Like, let's think, 1 cup of coffee, 6 hours is pretty normal. Yeah, you can see 9 rows got chosen there. But either way, I'm definitely seeing, as much of a mess as this is, there's a big hole right here. There's nobody in this upper section. So it does appear that there's probably a slight negative relationship. So that's my scatter plot. Most scatter plots are going to be pretty hard to see any relationship in just because of the messiness of our data and most of us having very discrete